How much washing, small service, sustainable profits? Recently, a simple business model that brings steady profits is being applied by many motorbike wash and motorbike care stores nationwide and has achieved very positive results. That is the how much washing service using Go&Go's baseline machine. We all know that helmets are indispensable item in daily life. Almost everyone uses them every day when going out, going to work, going to the market, going out, and going to the coffee shop. However, few people notice that the helmet, the things that it brushes directly against the scalp for many hours under the hot sun, and thus it rarely cleans properly. Over time, this is where sweat, bacteria, mold, that cell accumulate, causing bad odor, hair loss, itchy scalp, dandruff. But very few people realize that the real cause from this unnoticed habit. Go&Go has developed an effective and convenient helmet cleaning solution, and at the same time opened a completely new business direction. Low investment cost, simple operation, but sustainable profits and real market demand. Go&Go's baseline helmet washing machine is compactly designed, suitable for motorbike washes, accessory store, or even opening an independent helmet washing service in residential areas. Near school, industrial park, the machines is easy to operate, do not require high technology, do not take much of space. Only about 2 square meters can be installed and used. The helmet washing process is also very quick and professional. First, the staff will receive the head from the customer. Use a handheld hose to retrieve the receipt and inside of the head. Then the head is soaked in the baseline cleaning solution that helps kill bacteria and deodorant, but is still safe for the foam layer and the scalp. Next, the head will be put into the Go&Go hand washing machine. The machine has 2 buttons, one to wash with hot steam and one to dry. Within 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the type of hand, the customer will receive a clean, dry and fresh-smelling hand like new. Finally, the staff will spray a mild deodorant before handing it back to the customer. Customers who receive the hand back are often surprised and satisfied not only because the hand is clean and fragrant, but also because this is a completely new experience. Never before seen this convenient shop motorbike wash service. In terms of business efficiency, the price of washing a hand range from $1 to $2 depending on the time. On average, each shop can make 30 to 15 heads per day. The service is also very easy to combine with existing models, such as motorbike washing. Create a clean motorbike fragrant head combo. You can give away head washing to loyal customers, or implement promotional program to attract more customers. In addition, the model can expand to a waiting area for coffee, selling motorbike accessories, both improving customer experience and increasing revenue. In particular, Go&Go not only provide hand washing machine, but also provide full support from operating instruction, technical uses to business strategies and service development. You do not need experience, just have the determination to start right away. If you are looking for a business model with low capital, low risk, easy to implement, but bring real value and stable profits, then helmet washing machine is the very worthy choice to consider. Contact Go&Go today for advice and to experience the actual machine.